Dirty lens.
More convenient this way for you. Okay, so now I'm going to be pushing from the outside in. If you don't mind kind of making sure this doesn't move too much.
Mm-hmm.
You see this guy?
Yeah.
You understand?
So, what do you want me to do again?
Yeah, just hold this guy.
Here?
Oh, first hold the bottom one. You were right. So I'm going to be pushing in from the outside.
Okay.
So just keep it in there so that I can install this pipe in it.
I shouldn't push too hard, should I?
No, don't push it at all yet. I'll tell you when. Okay, you pushing?
Yep. Oh. Oh.
Keep pushing. You have to push harder.
Okay.
Harder.
Okay.
Want any further?
All right.
Okay, that's good, Arna.
All right.
Good.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Can I let go?
Yeah, you can let go of that one, but there's one right above it, right?
Yep, the blue one.
Yep, the blue one. So give me 1 second. 1 minute. Okay. Now push the blue one. Push it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good. Let go. Good job, Arna. You're all done. Seal this, seal that. So normally in a faucet, do you know which side is the hot and which side is the cold? I think left is hot, right?
Yes, and the
right is cold. Yeah.
So the blue one's on the right, the red one's on the left.
Correct.
So that's why you got those two faucets, is to put the cold one in the blue and the hot one in the red, right?
Precisely, yeah. Good job, Ron. Okay. Okay, that'll work. Okay, so now I have to go aside there. So I'm still working out there. I gotta gather my drill. It's a 7/8 inch. It's almost a 1 inch. Need a 1/2 inch. Maybe 3/4 inch. Okay.
Sometimes I feel like there have been days when...
Yeah.
Forgot what I was gonna say. When you've been building, there have been days when there have been something important we could have filmed while helping you build your tiny house, and
well, this is true, but you know, ultimately, it's such a big project. We couldn't film everything. We'll try our best because we don't edit fast enough, right? Because there's other things we have to do.
Mm-hmm.
See this pipe?
Uh-huh.
Just try to push it out through the hole.
Uh-huh.
You're not watching though.
What?
So,
I'm watching you on camera.
Oh, over there. Okay. So just hold it here, and I will push this guy on the outside. Okay.
Okay. I wish I had an extra camera, but
No, you good. So the blue through that hole, and then the red through the other hole afterwards. But first, let's do the blue one. Not all the way out, just a little bit so I can see it. Okay, push more. Now push real hard. Did it seem like it's fit in?
Seems like it.
Okay. Let go. Okay, I need to...
I think I'm gonna have to hold it out.
No. So, I think that pipe is short, so I need to pull it out, basically.
Oh, great.
That's okay, I have a spare pipe. Okay. That pipe is a little too short.
Mm-hmm. Ah, did you break it?
I pulled it out.
Mm.
So this pipe can be pulled out, you know. So okay. Then
You're gonna exchange it for the other one?
a much longer pipe, basically. And what I'll do is I'll install this beforehand. Voila. So now that this is in, keep pointing it there. I'm going to...
Slip it through that hole, right?
Yeah. Okay. So now I'm actually going to install this, and there's no way you could get the camera out, but I'm just putting these two screws in there to hold the...
All
I
right.
might have to pull out the second one too, but we'll see. Actually, I will have to do it. Right. Don't do anything. No, don't do anything yet. Wait for my signal.
And then pull it out. Or push it in.
Yeah. Well, okay, push the red one real quick.
The red one's the bottom one.
Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, that's good. That's good, Anna.
Got it?
Yeah, that's good right there. Hopefully it's not broken.